Friends, in this tutorial we will learn how to add a new column in between two existing columns of the table. As you can see on the screen, we have a table named as student having 4 columns: student ID, student name, student mobile number, student date of birth. Now suppose you want to add a column named as student address between student mobile and student DOB column. Now to do this thing, we have to use SQL after keyword along with alter table statement. Let's do it. Alter table student. Now add column. Now the name of the new column, for example, student address, its data type, its length, and now we have to use SQL after keyword and student mobile. Now this query will add student address column in between student mobile and student DOB column. Now let's see whether it has been added between student mobile and student DOB column or not. Now as you can see on the screen, the newly added column student address has been added between student mobile and student DOB column. Thanks for watching this video.